Mpact is South Africa's leading paper and packaging business and the largest recycler in the country. Freshflow, an Mpact innovation, proves that smart packaging can deliver real gains in cooling performance, cost efficiency, and sustainability. Cartons do more than carry produce. While strength and protection are essential, cartons also play a critical role in the cold chain. Freshflow is designed from the ground up to address cooling and cold chain shortfalls, preserving freshness and safety from farm to destination. Punnet cartons were benchmarked across 4 ventilation types during forced air cooling. The only consistent outcome was a clear pattern in cooling behavior. As air moved from right to left, the cartons receiving the cold air first cooled fastest, while position A consistently cooled slowest. All data reflects pulp temperature. Attempts to modify carton ventilation did not resolve this imbalance. Airflow resistance from punnets and liner bags proved more influential than carton design. The solution lay in reconfiguring pallet layout. By removing positions A and B and only using D and E, cooling efficiency improved theoretically by up to 40%. This required a new pallet base and carton size, introducing further advantages to be detailed later. Trials validated the results. Freshflow pallets were benchmarked against standard pallets with pulp probes monitoring temperatures. Standard pallet arrangements required an average of 37 hours to reach 0 degrees Celsius. The green line shows the average cooling times of Freshflow pallets. Trial and standard pallets were tested in the same tunnel with similar carton ventilation. Freshflow pallets cooled significantly faster, validating earlier research. It is proven that reefers are only able to maintain fruit temperature during transit, and this is where major problems occur. 2 factors drive failure: incompatibility between container design and pallet loading, creating hotspots, and frequent cold chain breaks during logistics. As a result, reefers cannot recover fruit pulp to protocol temperature. Container incompatibility explained. Containers blow cold air from the bottom rear wall, returning it through the return air duct at the top of the back wall. Cold air is circulated throughout the container by pressure differential. When cold air short-circuits back to the receiving air duct prematurely, hotspots occur at the door. This was proven by Talberry in his CFD. By arranging pallets to eliminate short cycling, we force air through the cartons and general airflow distribution improves. Freshflow layouts, introduced earlier, achieve this. We have completed 3 seasons of successful trials. Results show improved temperature control and recovery from cold breaks. In this example, a temperature break occurred in the initial transport leg to the harbour. Pallets were stabilized at 1 degree Celsius at cold storage, but once the pallets were loaded in the reefer, the temperatures recovered further to -1. This pallet heat map diagram illustrates improved airflow distribution. In a standard container, the hotspot at the door remains till arrival, as the container cannot recover from temperature break. In contrast, Freshflow containers improve the cold break recovery inside the reefer with uniform temperatures on arrival. This suggests improved quality and longer shelf life. Freshflow also increases payload. By filling pallet gaps with grapes, significantly more punnets can be shipped per container while maintaining cooling performance. Though requiring a non-standard pallet and carton, the gains demonstrate the value of rethinking carton and container design together. At farm level, Fruit Data 2023 highlights marketing and packaging as the 3 largest production cost categories. Freshflow directly impact these, delivering meaningful savings. Finally, sustainability. Mpact has completed the first cradle-to-grave life cycle assessment of South Africa table grapes exported to the UK, measuring every stage, from farming inputs to carton production to shipping emissions. The results show a 7% reduction in total carbon footprint, a powerful step toward more responsible packaging and logistics. Would better cooling improve shelf life? While data collection is ongoing, reducing food waste could lessen the impact of grape production and cold chain transport, the heaviest contributors in the life cycle. At Mpact, we are more than a leading cardboard manufacturer. We work with our customers to solve challenges beyond the box, optimizing cooling, transport, cost, and sustainability. Freshflow is proof of what's possible when innovation is matched with collaboration.